So you want to learn? So you want to learn how to make more money, right? This is what everybody wants, right? They want money, 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 and lots of it, right? So I'm going to teach you the 5 ways in order to make more money. So stay tuned. So everybody wants to make more money, right? That is the recurring theme of everybody's life. I want to make more money. I want to make more money. I want to make more money. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 things, the 5 ways that you can make more money. So way number 1, guess what you can do? You can get another job, or you can work more hours at your job, right? You can literally trade your time for money. But who wants to do that? Like, who wants to work more than 40 hours a week? If you're already doing that, kudos to you. I mean, you know, I couldn't do it. I could never work 2 jobs. I just never have in my entire life. And I never think I will ever do that. But there are some people who feel that that's the only way that they can make more money, is by getting another job or working more hours at your job so that your employer can pay you more, right? So that is one way to make more money. You trade your time for dollars. You give your employer more of your time so that you can produce more, so that they can pay you more, right? Or you get another job, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 4 jobs, whatever it takes, right, to make that money. However, I don't really like that way. So, second way that you can make more money is to become self-employed. Self-employed people are a 1099 person, right? That means you have a small business, you're running a home-based business or any type of business. Maybe you sell some crafts and arts and things like that, and you are now a 1099 person. People pay you online, right? And now you are making some extra cash. You may still have your job, right? But this may be a side hustle for you, and you are literally creating some more income. And that income is taxed in a different way because you're a 1099 person now, and now you're being taxed in a certain way. Now, make no mistake about it, I am not a CPA, I am not a tax accountant, I am not a tax strategist or anything like that. So please consult your tax advisor, your CPA, for tax advice. I'm just giving you ways that you can make more money, right? These are the things that the norm of people making more money. All right, the third way you can make more money is by investing. But Danielle, I don't have any money. That's why I'm watching your video. I can't invest money that I don't have. You're right? But you're wrong. Even if you have $5. My daughter, she is 15 years old. She invests in the stock market $5 a week. $5 a week. So out of her allowance, out of her money that she gets for working for me, she puts $5 every single week. You can do it, guys. $5, that's all you need to get started. $2, $10, whatever you have, anything that you can invest. Start investing, because what happens when you are investing? You create compound interest over time. Now, investing is not something that's going to happen right away as far as you're seeing results, but you will see. Like my daughter, she started out with $5, right? And then every week, as she started to add more, as her stocks started to gain interest and the stocks became more expensive, she didn't stick with the expensive part. She still put $5 a week, right? But she saw her money growing. And she still does $5 every single week into 4 different stocks. So if my 15-year-old daughter can do it, guess what? You can do it. Start investing. And the stock market is just one part of investing. Once you start to see, how much money you have, you can make bigger investments, right? Like multifamily real estate, or all types of stocks. There's all types of investings, right? But start out small. Start where you are, and then as your money starts to grow, you can invest more. All right. So now my 4th way, my 4th and wonderful, well, not wonderful, but my 4th way of investing is to become a business owner. All right, we talked about being self-employed, right? Self-employed, you're a 1099 person, right? So you're still working. It's like a job, but you're working for yourself, which I respect anybody that's working for themselves, anybody, right? However, as a business owner, you are now working for your own corporation. This is where the stakes start to get higher, right? So you're a business owner, right? Like Jay-Z said, I'm not a businessman, I'm a businessman, right? So that means you have a business, you have an entity, a S corp, a LLC, right? You have a business and you have employees, and you're paying employees, and you're also paying yourself, right? As a 1099 worker in your business, right? It gets deep. Or you can pay yourself as a W-2 worker, whatever, right? Again, consult your CPA or your tax advisor, because I'm not one. All right. But being a business or owning a business entity gives you so many tax breaks. That's why, they talk about the rich not having to pay taxes. And that's because they know how to organize their business so that they are paying little to no taxes. So that's where you want to be. I don't know if you've ever read Robert Kiyosaki's The Cash Flow Quadrant, right? So I'm going to put a little picture of it up here, what the quadrant looks like. It's on this side, the left side, you are an employee and a self-employed person. That's the person on the left. That's the person that has to work forever in their life, right? 40 hours a week, working for 40 years of your life to retire on 40% of your pay, right? Those are the people on the left side of the quadrant. They will never become truly free, not financially free. And if you want to know how to make more money, you don't want to just make more money and work until you die. You want to make more money so that your money essentially works for you. And that brings you to the right side of the quadrant, which you are an investor and a business owner, right? You want to get from the left side, where most people are right now, either they're employees or a self-employed person. You want to get to the right side of that quadrant, which means you are an investor or a business owner, or both, right? Both, right? Invested in business owner, invested in real estate, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, investing in businesses. Those are the things, that's where you want to be, right? So that fourth way to make more money is to become a business owner. Once you become a business owner, you get tax breaks. You are now living on the left side, the right side of the cash flow quadrant, which means you are on your way to financial freedom. You're not just making more money, right? If you run that business correctly, if you're investing, you run that business correctly, you're right there. And my fifth way, which is what I love, and it includes, probably a little bit of all of them, is trading value for that valueless dollar. When we think about it, right, we all want more money. These dollars that we've placed so much emphasis on, we're chasing it, we're selling our souls for. These dollars is nothing but useless pieces of paper when you think about it. Dollar is only as valuable as we give it, right? That value that we give it, that's how we value it, right? So if you say, hey, this $20 bill is nothing more than a tool to get me, some things that I need to do, some investments, right? I could put this in an investment. This $100 bill is nothing more than a larger way for me to invest so that my money can come back to me. So when I talk about value, right? Value, trading value. As an employed person, we are trading our time for dollars. How about trading your value for dollars? You are valuable. You are valuable. You have valuable knowledge. You have valuable skills. So why not use those valuable skills, knowledge, talents, whatever you have that's valuable, and trade it for maybe a couple of hours a week on a platform like YouTube, social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, right? Share it. Guess what? Guess what will happen? We are living in an information age, right? Everybody wants information. Everybody wants to know how to do something. That's how you found this video. You were looking to how to make more money, right? How did you find me? Because you searched for that topic. What if you did the same? What if you were a pro at knitting? How to knit your favorite sweater, right? What if you were a pro at taking pictures? How to take the perfect picture of birds at the perfect angle, right? You have to use what you have to get what you want. And what is it that you want? More money. So use your talents, use your gifts. You have it. You have it within you. And if you don't know what your talents and gifts are, go to my other video, how to become more spiritual, right? Go watch that video. It's about how to align yourself so that you can align yourself on the inside so that you can get what you want on the outside, which is money, cars, houses, freedom, this, that, and all the other good stuff that you want, right? You can get all of that when you align yourself inwardly. All right, my friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I record a new video for you and post it. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Get my free ebook down below, The 5 Steps to Success by Principles, The 5 Steps to Success, so that you can learn how to have that spiritual approach to financial freedom and economic as well as personal empowerment. All right, my friends, peace and love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.